What's up guys? I'm out here in the beautiful Perth Hills with my equally beautiful wife, and we are on a bit of a hiking adventure today, heading out to some secret waterfalls that I don't think many people know about. And it's been raining a bit today, so we're hoping that some nice flow. I've just come across some kangaroos as we're walking up here. Hey mate. That's pretty cool. Good way to start the hike. Karis is loving the little joeys. They are pretty cute, as usual. But yeah, it should be a good day out in the trails. And we're really hoping for some good flow over the falls and get some sweet shots with the drone and stuff. And hope you guys enjoy the video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, guys, and hit the like button once you finish watching. It's going to be a good one, and we've got heaps more videos on the way.
Got an ache inside of me. It's a deep hole where I bleed. Oh, can I seal it? You're like an ocean without land. Not a single grain of sand. I'm drifting on it. So cold.
We're just following the stream up to where the waterfall is situated. And there's not a whole lot of water flow, unfortunately, which tells me the falls aren't going to be crazy, but it should still be beautiful. And this walk is just stunning. We're into winter now in Perth, and everything is getting green, so it's unreal. And just hoping that these falls are just as good. Okay, sorry for a little bit squeamish, but we just came across this dead kangaroo here, and it looks like that this tree that's probably fallen down one of the recent storms literally fell and landed on this kangaroo's head or neck, and either just killed it on impact or trapped it there and it perished. It is a brutal situation. I feel bad for the roo, but I guess that's nature for you. All right, we just made it to the falls. Not a whole lot of water, but there is a bit trickling down, and either way, it is stunning. Absolutely beautiful. And gonna get the drone up and have a better look on that. And yeah, we're gonna enjoy this spot. It's fun.
It's guiding me home. So cold, yet warm. When you hold me, when you close.
All right, we just finished with the drone and enjoying the waterfall. Hope you guys enjoyed those shots. It's not as flowy as it has been when I've been here previously. I might chuck a few of those shots up now to show you guys the waterfall in all its glory.
A little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal.
In saying that, it is just coming down with rain, which makes it more beautiful, but we're kind of keen to get back now. So hope you guys are enjoying the video. We're going to enjoy this walk back to the car, and we'll see you soon. All right, guys, we're just finishing up our hike here. It has been an unreal day.
It's been amazing.
Yeah, super beautiful out here at the moment. Perth Hills, Perth winter. Whew, doesn't really get better than that. And the weather's been a bit shocking, but we're kind of enjoying the rain, to be honest. It just kind of...
so much better.
Yeah, it just kind of makes it even prettier out here. And yeah, if you enjoyed the video, guys, make sure to give it a like. Comment below if you've been to this waterfall before. And if you haven't, go follow me on Instagram, because there'll be a bit more information and some pictures over there. Other than that, subscribe to the channel, guys. We've got plenty more videos coming soon, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.